Here's a brief note on the Semitic origins of the Amharic word lij, which is Amharic's word for son or child. Now, when one first looks at this word, those familiar with other Semitic languages might feel that this is quite different from what they're familiar with. One can sense the similarities between the Hebrew word ben and the Arabic bin or ibn, or even the Aramaic bar. But where does lij come from? Now, perhaps the Semitic roots of this term are obscured when it's transcribed into the Latin script, and perhaps those Semitic roots become more clear when it's written in the Ge'ez script. The first thing to notice is that the second consonant, the j, representing a phoneme like the English j, has a graphical form conveying that it descends from the Ge'ez script's dant, equivalent to the Arabic dal, or the Hebrew dalet, or the English d. And you'll notice that graphically, the character j is basically a da modified with an additional marking above it. And once we can accept that line of descent, it becomes easier to see that the Amharic word lij actually shares a common origin with the Ge'ez word for son, which is weld. And at that point, its Semitic roots come into view as the Ge'ez word weld is cognate with the Arabic word walad or the Hebrew word yeled, both of which mean child. And yeled is a biblical Hebrew term. For example, when Isaiah 9:6 declares, "For a child was born to us," the Hebrew text reads, "Ki yeled yulad lanu." In short, the Amharic lij actually shares a common origin with a biblical Hebrew term, which is a testament to the depths of its Semitic roots.